that when the beard comes, it's only on this side of their face that has the beard. The beard never looks fuller and all that. Sometimes, most of the times, I have to teach guys that no, you have to make sure that. Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Bengaza again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about some of the mistakes a beginner should avoid when using a minoxidil for the beard growth. Yeah, so yes, there are a bunch of mistakes most of you don't know you are committing. That's why you're not seeing the kind of results you should be seeing with the minoxidil. So stick around and make sure you like the video and subscribe for me, because after this video you're going to stop seeing any kind of challenges or witness any kind of challenges with the use of a minoxidil. So let's hop into it. So the first mistake you should try and avoid as a beginner is the use of the minoxidil alone. Yes, don't use the product alone. Don't get me wrong, the use of a minoxidil alone can give you the kind of results you want, but then it has been proven that the use of a minoxidil and a derma roller is more efficient and gives you faster results than if you want to use it alone. For instance, if it's gonna take you up to a year for you to be able to grow a thick beard like mine, when you combine the use of the minoxidil with a derma roller, it will reduce the duration. For instance, it will take you up to 6 months instead of 1 year for you to be able to grow your beard. So don't rely solely on the minoxidil. Try and get yourself a derma roller and use it twice a week in addition to the minoxidil, and trust me, you're going to see more results, and the results is going to be much faster than using it alone. And if you are wondering how to use a minoxidil, I make a video about it. I'll link it in the description so that you guys can check it out later. So the next mistake I see a lot of guys doing is, most guys do apply the minoxidil right after the shower, which is very good. It's good for you to apply the minoxidil when your skin is clean. But then the mistake I see a lot of guys do is they don't dry their face before applying it. Yes, if you do that, you're just wasting the product. You know, you have to make sure that your skin is dry before applying it. Unlike the traditional beard oil, which is very good for you to apply even when your beard is wet or your face is wet, the minoxidil shouldn't be applied that way, because when you do that, you're diluting the content of the minoxidil. Yes, and when you dilute the content, trust me, the content in it is just 5%. It's just 5%. So imagine diluting it. It's going to be about 2.5 or 2%, which is not good, or which is not enough for you to be able to see results. So avoid applying it right after shower. You can dry your face. If you have a dryer, just dry the hair. If you have a thick beard like mine, I'm going to use it. Make sure that it is dry and make sure that it touches the skin. Yes, don't just put it or use it on the hair. Make sure it touches the skin, because that's to make the absorption much faster than just applying it on the hair. If you apply it on the hair, you're just wasting the product. So always dry your face first before applying the minoxidil after shower. Another mistake I see a lot of beginners do is, I don't know who told these guys or where they tend to get this kind of information from. I don't know why people believe that more is better. No, with the minoxidil, more is not better. Stop overusing the products with the aim that it's going to make you or it's going to give you more results. No, the more you use it doesn't equate or doesn't necessarily mean the more you're going to grow the beard. You just have to use it you just have to use enough, or just enough for it to cover the surface you want the beard to grow. But then some people apply till it start dripping on their face and all that. No, you don't have to do that. And when you do that, you put yourself in a position where you might end up experiencing some side effects. Yes, overdosing the minoxidil might end up with some side effects like headache and skin dryness and itchiness. So you don't need to use it a lot, or you don't need to overuse it for you to see results. Just more enough to cover the place is okay. Like the way I said, if you don't know about how to use the minoxidil, like the way I said earlier on, I've linked it in the description. Do check it out and follow the instruction, and you're not gonna find any issue with any side effect on all that. Another mistake I see a lot of beginners do is they don't allow the minoxidil to cover the surface they want the beard to grow. Let me show you guys. For instance, I see a lot of guys, whenever they apply the minoxidil, they don't apply it the way my beard, for instance, most of them come with the intention of having a beard like mine, but then when they go or when they apply the minoxidil, they don't allow it to touch all the areas of their face or how they want the beard to be. They only apply it on the side. How should I say? Is it the 5? They call it 5 here. They apply it only this side and then leave the downside and this side, the side of the cheek. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but then when they do that, you realize that when the beard comes, it's only on this side of their face that has the beard. The beard never looks fuller and all that. Sometimes, most of the times, I have to teach guys that no, you have to make sure that it covers all the surface, or you have to make sure that you apply it how you want the beard to go. If you want a full beard like mine, make sure that you just apply it like that. But then if you want that kind of beard that doesn't connect, that one too, you can apply it the same way. But then you shouldn't be applying it just on one side of your face and be thinking that it's enough for it to be able to grow beard all over your face. No, you shouldn't do that. Make sure that it touches every angle of your face where you want the hair to grow, be it under the chin or on the cheek. Yes, just apply it anywhere you want the hair to go, and that one will give you the best results. So yeah, that's another mistake you guys should look out for and try as much as possible to avoid. So yeah guys, that's the video guys. This is just a quick one. I just thought I should just make it because I have other videos like this that I've made earlier on, but I realized that I haven't talked about this one, so that's why I came here to say it, so that you guys, I really want you guys to come and join me, man, because Charlie, we need a lot of bearded men out there. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video like the way I said. If you do, like the video and subscribe for your boy. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Peace.